This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable Do Not Track in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To enable Do Not Track, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see it says Website Privacy Preferences, and right down here, Send Websites a Do Not Track request. You want to make sure that this box right here is checked. That is how to enable Do Not Track in the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.